Lion Red High Temperature Grease is a premium quality NLGI2 lithium grease. Its high temperature and extreme pressure characteristics. It lubricates wheel bearings, discs and drums, vehicle chassis, and more. It's also available in 14-ounce cartridges, 1-pound cans, 35-pound pails, and 400-pound drums. For bearing applications, it's best to wear protective gloves and scoop a fair amount of grease into the palm of your hand. Next, firmly press the bearing into the grease, making sure all grooves are covered. Be sure to read all directions and safety precautions on the back label. And always consult with a professional for use of any product. Drive with confidence with the strength of Lion.